level is the D2 electron configuration. Here D2G and EG. This is the barycenter level. Delta O, D2 electron configuration. Here crystal field stabilization energy is D2 electron configuration. The electron configuration D2G 2 and EG 0. From this electron configuration you can calculate the crystal field stabilization energy is equal to minus 0.4 into 2 plus minus 0.6 into 0, and therefore total minus 0.8 delta. This is the crystal field stabilization energy. One more example, D3 is a D2G and EG. This is the barycenter level and D3 electron configuration. The electronic configuration for D3 electron configuration is D1, D2, D3, and therefore D2G 3 and EG 0, and therefore the crystal field stabilization energy is equal to minus 0.4 into number of electrons 3 plus 0.6 into number of electrons in each orbital is 0, and therefore minus 1.2 delta O. And 0.4 into 3, therefore minus 1.2 is the crystal field stabilization energy. This is the crystal field stabilization energy. And D4 electron configuration. There are two types of electron configuration. D4 in presence of weak field and in presence of strong field. Strong field, that is delta O is greater than pairing energy and delta O is smaller than pairing energy. In this case, this is T2G and EG barycenter level. Here D4 electron configuration D1, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And therefore the electron configuration in T2G 3 and EG 1. Okay, and therefore crystal field stabilization energy CFSE is equal to minus 0.4 into 3 plus 0.6 into 1, and therefore minus 1.2 plus 0.6, and therefore minus difference in minus 1.2 to 0.6 is minus 0.6 delta. This is the crystal field stabilization energy for the weak field complexes. In strong field complexes is D4. This is the barycenter level EG and T2G. Here, and fourth electrons are occupied to the first electron, and therefore the electronic configuration is T2G 4 and EG 0. There is no electrons in EG orbitals, and therefore the crystal field stabilization energy is equal to minus 0.4 into 4 plus minus 0.6 into 0. Therefore, minus 1.6 delta O as compared to a crystal field establishing energy of minus 0.6 and minus 1.6. This is the lowering energy. This is the very very low energy as compared to this value, and therefore it is more stable. More stable. And this is the less stable complex. Here 4 unpaired electrons, here 2 unpaired electrons. That is the low spin complexes. Low spin complexes. Here 4 unpaired electrons, therefore total spin is 2, and here total spin is 1. 2 unpaired electrons, therefore total spin 1, and total spin is the 2. And therefore this is the high speed complex. High speed complex. This is the difference between the depolarization configuration in presence of weak field ligand and strong field ligands. In weak field ligands, delta O is smaller. The delta O is smaller, and therefore our electrons are unpaired in both T2s as well as EG orbitals. But in case of the delta O is larger, but pairing energy is small, and therefore the electrons are paired in lower energy of the orbitals, is known as the T2G orbitals. Okay. One more example is D5 case in strong field, in weak field, and in strong field ligands. D5 electron case. T2G and EG, delta O. Here D5 case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 electrons are occupied in T2G as well as EG orbitals. The electronic configuration in T2G and EG orbitals, T2G 3 and EG 2. In case of D5 case, strong field ligands, this is the crystal field splitting parameter, EG orbitals and T2G orbitals. Here 3 electrons are occupied in T2G orbitals, and 4th and 5th electrons are occupied to 1st and 2nd electrons. This is the pairing energy due to smaller in pairing energy, and therefore the electronic configuration is T2G 5 and EG 0. Okay, the crystal field stabilization energy is minus 0.4 into 3 plus 0.6 into 2, and therefore crystal field stabilization energy 0. Minus 1.2 plus 1.2, and therefore total energy is 0. But in case of crystal field stabilization energy is minus 0.4 into 5 plus 0.6 into 0, 0 electrons in each orbitals, therefore minus 2.0 delta O. In both electron configuration in weak field as well as strong field ligands, the maximum spin of electrons in T2s as well as EG orbitals, and therefore the total spin is 5.2 or 2.5. Here the total spin is the 1/2. As the difference in spin of D5 case 2.5 and 1.2, and therefore it is the this complex is high spin complex and this is the low spin complexes. Okay, the magnetic character depends upon the number of unpaired electrons in T2 as well as Eg orbitals. Here the 5 electrons are occupied in unpaired electrons T2 and Eg orbitals, therefore have paramagnetic nature. But in case of there is also paramagnetic nature, but less paramagnetic nature due to only one unpaired electrons in T2 orbitals. This is the less paramagnetic and this is the more paramagnetic in character. Okay, you can calculate the crystal field stabilization energy of D6 and D7 electric configuration in weak field as well as strong field ligands. In similar calculations, and D7, D8, D9, D10 electron configuration, there is no effect of strong field ligands as well as weak field ligands on the crystal field splitting parameter of T2 and Eg orbitals, and therefore as it remains electron configuration, same electron configuration in T2C and Eg in weak as well as strong field ligands. Okay, thank you.